Hello everybody, here's my latest commission. Yes, I know you've seen it before. Here we see it in the 2023 calendar, Seagulls in Flight. So of course these were made the year before, 2022, 4 years ago. And the commissions do tend to be remakes of things that I've made in the past that have now gone and they're wanted again. This time, however, the client wanted them flying from left to right. He was very specific about the size because he knows where it's going. And he also wanted a chip in the lead seagull, which I think is a nice touch. I really like the repetition of these and the pattern and the negative space that they make. My friend John Berry really doesn't. He gives him the heebie-jeebies pattern and repetition and symmetry. So we're all different like that. So John won't like it, but hopefully my client will. As usual, I've written an accompanying verse, which goes like this. The seagull's cry is one of alarm, signifying that they intend to do harm. These guys sure know how to shoot from their hips, so don't forget to hang on to your chips.